A very good morning to you children. Let's start our class. See, last video we learned about aerial animals. Did you watch the video children? Okay, I know you all are very much watched the video. So, about aerial animals. Now, one more animal. Animals not only live on the land, in the water, and previous class, some of the animals are living in the air. They spend much time in the air. Those animals only the aerial animals. Examples of the aerial animals are birds that we learnt in the last class. Now, one more topic about animals. Where these animals, all the places over. On the land completed, in the water completed, and in the air also completed. And what about this topic? Where is the place animal live? You have a doubt now? Yes. What is it? That I will tell to you now. Okay, ma'am? Now, these animals live on the land only. On the land. These animals live on the land only. But how the birds are built the nests on the trees, but they spend much time in the air. Same, these animals also, they live on the land only, but they spend much time. Some animals, they spend much time on the trees. On the trees. You know children? Do you remember that? Any guess? Which animals spend most of their time on the trees? Yes. What are the animals? Monkeys. What are the animals? Monkeys. You see in the forests or you go to that some of the places like a pilgrim places and the valleys. We see there on the roadside also. In our surroundings very much we see that monkeys. Those are much time. They spend on the trees only. They spend on the trees only. They comes out from the tree. They move in the land also. They move on the land. They comes in our places, in our surroundings. But they spend much time on the trees only. They sleep. They take the rest. They play. They play and everything. They move from place to one tree to another tree. One branch to another branch. They are enjoying on the trees only. Those animals enjoy. They do all the works. It means they take the rest. They hold the branches. They move. They swing. They swing the trees. Everything. They very much enjoy. They spend much time on the trees. What are the animals? That animals are known as arboreal animals. What animals, children? Arboreal animals. Our topic is arboreal animals. Arboreal. A-R-B-O-R-E-A-L. Arboreal. Arboreal animals. Arboreal animals means animals live on the land only. But animals spend much time. They spend much time on the trees only. They spend much time on the trees. Where they spend, children? They spend much time on the trees. Those animals are known as arboreal animals. That arboreal animals we can see in our surroundings. Because we have a number of trees in our surroundings. So we see these animals very well. Then what are the animals? What animals are the arboreal animals? Examples of these animals are monkeys, like you, monkeys, koala, monkeys, koala, squirrel. You know children, squirrel? That is a small bird, very small in size that animal. But always moves. It cannot walk. It hops. It run very fast. Even in our blink of eye, from here to that place, it runs and it hops very fast. That's squirrel, monkeys, koala, squirrels, chimpanzee. You know children, it is one of the monkeys family. Chimpanzee and lizards. Some of the lizards spend much time on the trees. Some of the lizards are much time they spend on the trees only. So these are some of the animals spend much time on the trees. These are the arboreal animals. Monkeys, koala, squirrel, chimpanzee, lizards. We know very well about monkeys. Squirrels also we can see in our surroundings. Chimpanzees also we can see. Lizards. In our houses also a number of lizards. Many lizards we can see in our houses. And some of the lizards we can see on the trees, in the forests. Those also we can find lizards. And koala. Did you see any time koala? Koala. See here. This is a koala. How nicely they sat on the tree. You see? How nicely they sat on the tree. You know children? See here. Yeah, this is koala. How beautiful also. Very innocent face and he sat on the tree. See how beautiful koala. These are all the monkey family. Like a koala, chimpanzee, all these are all the monkeys family. So, are you understanding about the arboreal animals definition and the examples? And how? So, this is about the definition and the examples. Now, how these animals spend much of the time on the trees? Can we go and sit on the trees? No, we cannot sit on the trees because from there too we will fall down. If you fell down that, all bones also will break. Okay, so we are not able to sit on the trees. But these animals easily they sit, they move, they run, they move from the swing, they move from branch to branch. Everything, all those things they do very easily. How we do all those? From tree to tree they can run, they can swing and they can sat, they catch, they swing and they jump. They jump from the branch to branch. They hold the branches. They hold the branches. They hop from one branch to another branch, one tree to another tree. How it is possible? Yes, some of the special body features are modified. How birds' feathers and wings are their special organs, and fish had a fins and tail, and what are the breathing organs? Gills. All those suitable to support these body features adopt these animals in that places. Here, these arboreal animals had also some of the special body features to suitable to live in this place. What are the special? These organs, these monkeys and arboreal animals have. Did you see monkey? They have a long tail. They have a long tail. Monkey have a long tail. These long tail, with the help of this long tail, the monkeys hold the branches. Monkeys hold the branches. See, it turns that branches and it will be swing up and down. It will swing up and down. That is one of the features. These monkeys and these arboreal animals easily to stand on the tree. The long tail supports these animals to swing and to hold the branches easily. Spend much time on the trees. That is one of the feature. And these animals have a strong legs. What are those children? Strong legs. These strong legs and the front two hands had a sharp claws. Sharp claws. These sharp claws hold the branches. Hold the branches easily. Because if it is hold very tightly, then only it cannot fall down from the branch. So, these sharp claws on these animals' hands have a sharp claws. With the help of these hands, sharp claws, these animals hold the branches carefully. In that, they cannot fall down from the tree branches. That is one of the body feature. These animals stand on the trees. And these strong legs also comfortable support these animals to hop and to move from branch to the next. One branch to the next. This long tail, this long tail and these strong legs. These legs are very strong, sir. These legs are very strong. So see this front two legs how it holds. These front two legs are how it holds. And here see long tail and it had these hands and sharp claws and support to climb. And here they have a hip and the strong legs are support the body while it was climbing. While it climbed the tree, these strong legs and the hip and the sharp claws support these animals to climb. Climb the trees. Climb the trees. Directly it cannot swing from with the help of the sharp claws and legs and the hip. All these body parts are suitable these animals to climb the trees, to set the branches, to hold the branches easily on the trees. They can move, they can swing up and down with the help of the tail. Tail surrounded the branches, so the branches too it can swing up and down. It was enjoying with that swinging. మనం ఉయ్యాలప్పుడు ఎంత ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తాం. Same, these animals also uses of the tail. ఆ tail ని ఒక గట్టిగా కట్టేసుకొని ఊగిపోతూ ఉంటాయి. So it can swing. ఉయ్యాలు ఊగినట్టుగా ఊగిపోతూ ఉంటాయి. So this long tail support these animals to swing on the branches. And the strong legs and the sharp claws of their hands and hips to support these animals to climb the trees easily. To climb the trees easily. So, these are the special body features of these animals to live in the, to spend much time on the trees. On the trees. This is about the arboreal animals. Actually, they spend on the land only. But, easily to they survive on the trees. With the help of tail. Any other animal had not that much of tail. Only arboreal animals had long tail. Why? Because these with the help of this long tail, it can spend much time on the trees and it can hold the branches. Tree means number of branches are there. So that branches it can swing It can swing, it can jump, it can hold the branches. It can hold the branches with his sharp claws. Hold ఇలా పట్టుకుంటే ట్రీస్ పట్టుకోవాలంటే it had a strong muscles. These animals had strong muscles also. So with the strong muscles and sharp claws, strong legs, long tail, all these animals, all these body features support these animals to stay much time, to hold the branches, to climb easily the trees, and to swing from branch to other, one branch to other, and jump one tree to other tree also. They catch the flowers, fruits. They catch the flowers, fruits, everything with the help of these body features. They spend on the trees. These are the body features of this one. Monkeys, koala and chimpanzee, squirrel also, and lizards. Lizards have a plates on their body. What are those? Lizards have plates. L-I-Z-A-R-D-S, lizards. Lizards have a plates on their bodies. What are the plates? Pads on their bodies, not a plates. Pads on their bodies. You see children, pads on their bodies. These are pads also known as adhesive pads. Adhesive pads. A-D-H-E-S-I-V-E. A-D-H-E-S-I-V-E. Lizards have a adhesive pads. Okay, lizards. Lizards have a special body. How these animals have long tail, strong legs, sharp claws. These arboreal animal, lizard have pads on their body. Pads on their body. These pads also known as adhesive pads. What children? Adhesive pads. A-D-H-E-S-I-V-E. Adhesive pads. How these pads it means? Like this. These adhesive pads are like this. So, if with the help of these adhesive pads, these lizards claws easily on the trees. Easily on the trees with the help of adhesive. A-D-H-E-S-I-V-E. Adhesive pads. Okay. So, this is about lizards. And you see these lizards are some lizards we see on the trees. And some of the lizards we can see in our houses. In our houses, they climb the walls. So those lizards are known as wall lizards. Wall lizards. In our houses, these wall lizards also move from with the help of these adhesive pads. With the adhesive pads, wall lizards and the normal lizards, all the lizards are move with the help of these pads. This is about, and these are the special organs. These lizards are move on the branches. They climb easily the branches and they climb the walls also easily. Can we climb the walls on the trees? No, because these organs are not there. This we have a tail. No. We had a short claws? No. All these pads are also not there. All these features are only we can see in the arboreal animals. In this way, these arboreal animals spend much time on the trees. Okay, ma'am? So, what are the features? Long tail, strong legs, sharp claws, and the head, strong body, and strong muscles. And lizards have a adhesive pads. All these body features are suitable these arboreal animals to spend much time on the trees. We cannot see all these in aerial animals, aquatic animals, terrestrial animals. We cannot see these features. This is about arboreal animals. Okay, ma'am? Next topic, we'll continue the next class.